We are eagerly anticipating the official Unpacked event for the Galaxy S24 Series 4. Here are the top 10 major changes expected. The primary camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to have a significant upgrade, potentially outputting 24-megapixel photos by default compared to the previous 12 megapixels. This promises twice the resolution without compromising HDR quality. The S24 Ultra is set to offer the best 8K video experience on the market. The main sensor can shoot 8K videos at 30 FPS, and there's a new 5x zoom sensor that allows for 8K videos at 5x magnification, a first for flagship smartphones. The 5x zoom sensor is not just for videos, it will also enable portrait zoom photos, offering portrait mode shots at 1x, 2x, 3x, and 5x magnifications. The 5x zoom is expected to bring superior stabilization for smoother videos and better low-light performance. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to be the first phone to utilize Corning Gorilla Glass armor, providing a significant improvement in durability. The titanium frame, in addition to adding a premium feel, contributes to making the phone approximately 56% more durable than the previous aluminum frame. The S24 series is expected to introduce an intelligent gallery fully backed with AI. Notably, this includes a feature that allows users to adjust the background of a photo using AI, offering more control over the composition. The S24 series will feature a built-in AI chatbot. Users can assign any title, and the AI will generate an essay on the given topic, summarizing the key points, an innovative addition for users looking for AI-powered assistance. The new Corning Gorilla Glass armor is not only for display, it extends to the entire device, contributing to making the Galaxy S24 Ultra one of the strongest phones in the market. The titanium frame, beyond aesthetics, plays a crucial role in making the phone exceptionally durable. This highlights Samsung's effort to create a phone with enhanced structural integrity. While acknowledging that no phone is entirely unbreakable, Samsung aims to create an exceptionally robust device with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, considering the advancements in glass and frame technology. The single-take feature on the S24 Ultra is enhanced and now capable of shooting up to 10x zoom, providing users with more flexibility in capturing a variety of scenes. Feel free to share your favorite feature from the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra in the comments below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.